So welcome to the channel guys once again. So now we are going to discuss this lead code problem, maximize distance to closest person. So we are read the description first of all. We are given a array here which representing a row of seats. If seats of I is equal to 1, then it means a person is sitting in the ith seat, else while it is equal to 0, that means ith seat is empty. Okay, and index is 0 index. So and we have there is at least one empty seat, means one si one seats I is equal to 0 at least, and there is at least one person sitting. So in our given array there is at least one index where a person is sitting, and there is at least one index which is empty. So at least one seats of I is equal to 0 and one is equal to 1. So and there is a Alex who want to sit in the seat such that the distance between him and the closest person to him is maximized. So there is a person Alex who want to sit in a particular seat which is empty, and then he want to find the maximum maximum. Okay, so he want to sit in a seat, and from that particular seat the distance between him and the next person to him in left or either right side is maximum. uh, like if one person is sitting here, one is sitting here, Alex is sitting here, then the maximum difference of the left side is 2 minus 0 is equal to 2, and maximum difference of right side it is 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So in this case it is equal to 2 for both case. So and what we have to do, we have to return the maximum distance to the closest person. So here answer is equal to 2, we can sit Alex at here. In this case answer is equal to 3 because we can put out Alex at here. So the maximum distance is equal to 0 1 2 3, 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. So in this case maximum distance is equal to 1. We put out him here and the maximum distance will be equal to 1. Okay, so this is one, at least one seat empty, one occupied. This is given constant that I have already read in this description paragraph. So now we are going to solve the problem. So here we are given this function max is to closest and a vector int s. In starting we take two variable a comma b, and both are initialized with 0. And why we take this? In a we will store the maximum like here is 1 0. In a we will store the count of 0 before the first one in our array. Like here a is equal to 1, here a is equal to 0 because a0 s0 is equal to 1. So there is no 0 before the first one. And b will store the number of 0 after the last one. Like here the last one occur here, so the number of 0 are 3. The last one occur here, so the number of 0 after it is 0. So and what we do, I is equal to we initialize I with 0 and j with s dot size minus 1. So what we are storing this a plus plus and I plus plus. This will store the maximum number of 0 in front of the array. It will store the maximum number of 0 in the end of the array, and we put maximum of a comma b in a. So now our b is free because we have taken the maximum of maximum among both of them. So and we run a while loop while I greater than while I less than j, because j is always represent a number that is equal to 1, because we stop j loop when this condition became false. That's why sj is always is equal to 1. So and if s of I is equal to 1, we just increment I and continue it. Else while what we do, we initialize b with 0 and we run again a while loop while I less than j, while I less than j and si is equal to 0, we increment I as well as b. And what we do, then we take the maximum of a and b plus 1 upon 2 a into a and return a. Why I do this plus 1? Like for take example, like here b is equal to 3. In this particular case, b is equal to 3. So what would be our answer? Answer is equal to 2. But if we do 3 divided by 2, it gives us 1. Okay, but if the and we need to, so we only add plus 1 in it, just plus 1 in it. Okay, like because we can put it here, but when 1 divided by 2, it gives us 0. So I am doing plus 1 to counter the odd operation, to counter the odd numbers only. But if it has only two zeros and here is also 1, like I am explaining your case, I am explaining your case, like here 2 0, then here the b is equal to 2 and the maximum distance is equal to 1. So I am showing you the answer. The maximum difference is equal to 1. You can see the maximum difference is equal to 1 because either we have to put it here or we have to put it here, but in this case we can put it here and get that distance of 2. So and I have run this code already. I am just in your code. You can see the submitted code. Just a minute. You can see this is my submitted code. So I hope you understand this. So thank you for watching this, guys. Thanks a lot.